Pig, you got so big! You got so big! What's up everyone? It's Kylie, aka Kai Quinn, and I'm back again with another Miata update. It's March 13th. I just got here from the gym, so don't mind my appearance. But as I told you guys last time, we're finally putting my engine in. So this is the last time you'll see my engine bay empty.
Yeah, right.
Whoa. Sean's finally here with the jack, so we could get this thing in. Yeah, we gotta change the throwout bearing. Yep. So this is the old throwout bearing. Looks like it was gonna go anytime soon anyways.
Okay, we can't talk crap now. Yeah.
Sorry. Okay. I took it off on accident. Alright.
I should lube it up.
Lube it up. Just warming up my ankles. I brought my little heater from home because there's no heat in here. We're jack. I almost tripped. So we're gonna jack up this side, put it on the wood, so we can move forward and put the engine back in. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Or let it drop.
Hoo hoo hoo. Quick intermission. All right, intermission. I had to take off my side skirt. My car looks so high right now. It's on.
I don't want to hear it. It wasn't the jack.
It was the jack. It was the fucking jack. Y'all heard it here
Dude.
first. Sean is the reason why it wouldn't go in the first time. It's fine. It's fine. Sheesh.
So you don't have to worry about it. It's not hitting shit.
Yeah, it's gonna hit the hood.
Shut the fuck up. Okay, so engine's back in the car. Plastic bags are all off. I'm not putting the valve cover on yet because still gotta hide all the wires. Putting the radiator, headlights, all that fun stuff. Gonna wait to put on the hood as well. Today's Monday, but I will be back Wednesday and we'll see where we go from there. Next day. Okay, so engine bay is looking cleaner already with all the wiring being tucked away. As I mentioned in my previous vlogs, I do not do the wiring, so Tyler's dad has been doing all that and it looks amazing. While Tyler's dad focuses on the wiring, I'm going to change my pads and rotors because it's been 2 years, but we're not going to talk about that. Let's get started. The brackets looking rusty. Look at this rotor, it looks disgusting.
You got rusty they get?
Ugh. Maybe I can try and like clean this. It's looking so much cleaner. The new versus the old. We're gonna do the pads first. Look at the old ones.
Ow! Jump
Whoa.
here.
One squeeze in the bridge.
Wow, those are so nice compared to the rest of my fucking car. Okay, so change of plans. I'm going to put the hood back on and then start doing the other side because we're going to paint my brackets and caliper so it looks nice. Because look at these. Ew. Disgusting. We're gonna get started on this side. Got the wheel off, time to get the spacer, caliper. as you can see, I got the rotor off. Not too much content because I am getting pissed off with these brakes and I don't want to be cursing the entire time I'm doing this. That's why you're gonna see a lot of time lapses. But yeah, let's put the new ones on. I also banged my head into the fender quite a number of times. It's fine. I went ahead and placed them on. Gonna get the bolts on and tighten that bitch up. I did lefty loosey when it's righty tighty, but you know what I meant. You know what I meant. Spacers on. Now we wait for Sean to get here with the caliper paint. We're gonna go watch a dyno. Damn, you guys walk fast.
Yeah, good dog.
Puppy!
For one of these is so real.
Alright, now back to the brakes. So they're dry, time to change them out for the new pads. And yes, I painted over the old ones. So we got both the pads on. Now let's slip it on.
You better work, bitch.
Let me show you what crazy thing I've got going up here today.
Don't try this at home, kids.
Right way.
There we go. Green because St. Patrick's Day is tomorrow. Yes. Passenger side is done. Time to move on to the driver's side.
There you go.
Thanks for your help today.
Oh, you're welcome, dude. I don't really do much.
Okay, so front brakes are completely done. I'm leaving my wheels off because Tyler's dad's got to get underneath my car and calibrate my speedometer. Because I don't know if I told you guys, but when I installed my gauge cluster, I didn't calibrate my needles, and it's all out of whack. So don't know what's going on. Anyways, this is what the bay is looking at so far. Tyler's dad got the passenger headlight in. Wiring honestly should be done by next video. So we got my engine in, we got my front brakes done, we saw a dyno. Next time we're gonna do my rear brakes, lower and camber my car more. We're gonna put my hood on, do my fuel filter, the cowl back on, everything back on, and honestly it should be all complete by next video. Hoping. I will also reveal my valve cover in next video and maybe my wrap because I ordered it last night. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.